let's put some of what we learnt in the last exercise into practice now with some more practical applications of percentages. And rather than trying to remember formulas here, let's think about what it's asking us to do. So looking at the first example, it asks us to increase 370 by 8%. Increase, so make it go up. Now what is 8% of 370? If we know that, then we know how much we have to increase it by. So let's start with that. 8% of 370. Okay, now 8% is 8 over 100. Of means times 370. Pop that into your calculator and you end up with $29.60. Remember, we're talking dollars and cents, so $29.60. Now, we are looking to increase $370 by that amount. So now we know what 8% of $370 is. So therefore we would say $370 plus $29.60, which comes to $399.60. So we have increased $370 by $29.60, and our new total is $399.60. The difference with the next one is that we are going to decrease, but we're going to start off exactly the same way because we need to see how much we're going to decrease $8,900 by. At this stage, we only know it's 7%. So let's work out 7% of 8,900. So remember, 7% means 7 out of 100. Of is times 8,900. Pop that into your calculator and you should end up with $623. Now, I am decreasing $8,900 by $623, which means I'm going to have to take away. So I've got 8,900 and I'm going to take away $623. Pop it into your calculator again, and what do you get? You end up with $8,277. So the key here is to work out what the percentage is in terms of dollars and cents so that you can either increase the amount or decrease the amount. Some very important rules that we need to remember here, but again, they can be quite logical. Have a look at this first one. Profit is equal to the selling price minus the cost price. Now, if you think about it, if you were going to make a profit on something that you had bought, the price that you buy it for is its cost price, and then the price that you sell it to somebody else at is the selling price, and the difference between those two would be the profit. Obviously, you have to sell it for more than what you bought it for to make a profit. And so therefore, if you wanted to work out the percentage profit or the percentage discount, if it was a profit, you put it over the original amount, times it by 100, or if it was a discount, you put the discount over the original amount and times it by 100. So looking at this example here, the cost price for a new car is $24,780, and it is sold for $27,600. Part A wants us to find the profit. So we know that the profit is equal to the selling price minus the cost price. So in this case, what is our selling price? Well, we sold the car for $27,600 and it cost $24,780. So the profit that was made there, when you throw it into your calculator, was $2,820. It's not a bad profit, is it? Now the next bit wants us to calculate the percentage profit to 2 decimal places. Percentage profit. So we're looking at that first rule up there. Percentage profit is equal to the profit over the cost price and then times it by 100. So what was the profit in this case? It was 2,820, and the cost price was the original price, which was $24,780. So not the amount you sold it for. The cost price was the original price. When we put that into our calculator, we get 11.38%. Once it's two decimal places, so 11.38% profit. So again, with these questions, we need to think about what they're asking us. Have a look at this example. A retailer buys some material for $43.60 a roll. He wishes to make a 35% profit. Well, when profit is in a percentage, we don't know how much that is in dollars and cents. So let's work out what that is in dollars and cents first. So what do we know? We know the profit is 35% of $43.60. So it's 35% of $43.60. Now we know how to work that out. 35% is 35 out of 100. Of is times $43.60. And this is the profit. And if we put that into our calculator, we get $15.26. So there has been a profit of $15.26 when we work out 35% of $43.60. So what will the selling price be? Well, we know that the selling price is equal to the cost price plus the profit. So in this case, our selling price is $43.60, which was the cost price, plus the profit, which was $15.26. So total gives you $58.86. So that is the selling price per roll of material. Well, part B then says, if he sells 13 rolls, what will the profit be? Well, that's not too difficult. So if one roll is $15.26, then 13 rolls would be 13 times that amount. So it would be 13 times $15.26. Okay. And when we multiply that together, we get $198.38. So that is the profit on 13 rolls of material. In this example, a shirt worth $25 is discounted by 15%. Again, we know that our discount is in percentage. What is it in dollars and cents? So let's find the discount over here, because that's not what Part A is asking us to find. Part A wants us to find the selling price. So in order to find the selling price, we do need to know what the discount actually is. And the discount is 15% of the $25. So shirts are, say, for example, in Myers, there's a 15% off sale. So 15% is 15 over 100. Of is times 25. And again, put that into your calculator and you end up with $3.75. So if there's a 15% sale, something worth $25 is discounted by $3.75. So how much do you pay when you go to the cash register? What is the selling price? So the selling price is equal to whatever the original price was, which was $25, minus your discount now. And your discount you've worked out to be $3.75, which means that now your selling price is $21.25. And that's with a $3.75 discount. How much was the saving? Well, again, this is something you've already worked out. You just have to be able to translate the words. How much is the saving? What they're actually asking for there is, what is the discount? So what was the discount? Well, it was this much over here, wasn't it? It was $3.75.